Hi, and welcome to the BatExplorer 2 tutorial. How to add instant species buttons. The quickest way to assign a species to a recording is the use of so-called instant species buttons. With just one click, the recording is classified. When using the keyboard shortcuts, it's even faster. The instant species buttons are accessible in the Recording tab toolbar, or in the Recording, Set Species menu. Further, they can be used in the Recordings list, Assign, Set Species context menu. The instant species buttons can be set up as you like. To edit the buttons, open the Project Settings dialog. In the General tab, click Edit. Click the Add button and enter the species text you want to assign to the recording. Enter the button caption and select whether to open the next recording after the assignment has been made. To modify the position of the new button, use the up or down buttons. To edit or delete a button, select it in the list and apply your changes. Click OK when done. The new button can now be used, for example, by pressing Ctrl+3. To remove the assigned species, you can press Ctrl+0. The shortcuts also work for multiple recordings in the Project tab. To add a species from the library to the instant species buttons, open the Bat species library, choose a genus or species and check instant species. The item is added to the buttons. To change the placement of the instant species buttons, drag the toolbar to the desired position. Thanks for watching.